Okay, and now we're going to move on to our last module, which is category 6 of our checklist, minimizing transportation emissions. This is important because on average, over 60% of our campus emissions come from transportation. And this is due to the fact that we are a commuter campus, so a lot of our students travel to campus, and choosing to travel sustainably when possible means less pollution and less carbon emissions, therefore reducing our overall impact on the environment. For this category, we have 4 different action items. The first of which is to encourage sustainable forms of transportation. In your event details, you can provide information about the alternative forms of transportation that exist to get to your event. For 6.2, highlighting digital resources available for planning trips. There are a lot of apps that you can use and highlight. There are also campus maps that show things like our wheel paths available and the biking routes and walking routes that people can take if the event is happening here. For 6.3 is if your budget allows to offer incentives, definitely encourage you to include those to incentivize people to use an alternative form of transportation to arrive to the event. And then lastly, for 6.4, providing a virtual option to attend the event remotely. This can allow you to have your event recorded or live streamed so that people can access it at a later time, or if they're not able to attend physically, they have that option as well. And it contributes to reducing the emissions happening from transportation. And the resources highlighted here are for 6.1. In our toolkit, we have sample language that you can include to encourage the attendees to use sustainable transportation. And for 6.2, one of the apps that you can highlight to encourage people to find alternative ways of arriving to the event is the Move It app. We thank you for taking the time to listen to all of our modules and learn about different ways that you can have your event be sustainable.